Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review NFT Collection Maker. Now, if you want to create your own NFT collections like a website, then this is the perfect video for you, my friend. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a crypto NFT art collection automatically with TTC AI technology and have them ready for you to sell at whatever price you want. Okay, and this would take just a minimum effort on your part. So I'm going to be showing you the software demo of NFT Collection Maker. Then I'm going to be sharing with you the member survey of NFT Collection Maker. What are the OTOs or upgrades or upsells of NFT Collection Maker, and what are the features inside each of those OTOs. Okay. Also, I've got bonuses for you if you decide to pick up NFT Collection Maker through the link right below this video. You can check out all the bonuses over here, which I have listed right below this video. So if you get NFT Collection Maker through the link right below this video, I'm going to be giving you all that 42 awesome software bonuses, and these bonuses combined together are worth not less than $1,000 in real time, real value. Okay, so make sure to get a great decision for purchasing NFT Collection Maker. So let's get started. Let's see basically what is NFT Collection Maker. Now, since this March, I guess, NFT is something which is absolutely booming. Okay, so if you're interested in NFT, then make sure to see this software demo, because it's gonna show you how you can create your own NFT websites, and then you can basically create NFT art collections and automatically sell it at the price you want. Okay, so let's see the software demo of NFT Collection Maker.
Okay, here we are inside the platform you can use with Mac or PC, and we'll see how fun and easy it is to make these great looking collections of generated art inside NFT Collection Maker. And you start by going to Create in the left panel, and we'll call this collection Demo B, hit Save, and the first thing you'll do is make the traits for the images its parts. And the first trait we'll make, hit Create, start with Background. Its default layer is 1, save it. The next trait will be Body, default layer 2, save. And the third trait will be Hair, default layer 3, and so on. And I'm going to go to Demo A to save time. It's already made, and this is what all the traits look like when they're finished. You can see all the layers and all the items that have been added to make the arts look so great. And you can add as many items as you like here. So let's check on the clothing preview window here and look, and these are the cool parts that you can add, and here you can define the rarity of the items you've added or chance of the items to be included in the image. And by default, it's 100 divided by the number of images, so you can see here this item appears in 3.85% in all the images in the collection. And of course, you can control how often you want certain items to appear by adjusting this fantastic handy slider. Now, in another item, a feature we haven't seen anywhere else, multi-images in each item. The same image with two parts, because some hair may not work with, say, the hoodie, so you can choose there, and also some more flexibility. Sometimes you don't want some items working with other items, so back to traits quickly here, open the hair preview. As an example, this beret here won't work with the hoodie I showed you, right? So you go to Forbidden Items here, and you add other items to not be generated in this image. And in this case, it's, you can see here, black hoodie clothing, bathrobe, and a few other items. Super, super, super cool. The perfect image you envision. All right, now back to the NFT panel to see how to generate your previews, and wait till you see how quickly that happens with thousands of unique images being generated in almost no time. So I just will delete these previews here so I can regenerate and show you the magic. So watch this. Generate preview. We're making 3,000 images. Hit go. not even in 2 seconds, and you have 3,000 images generated. So now you can review your images, and maybe you have a couple you don't want to use. I have 2 that I don't want generated with the 3,000, so I click on Disable on each image. And so I go back to Generate Preview again. I will add 2 more, which will replace the 2 disabled images, and the TTC technology makes sure they are completely unique. So see, I actually have 3,002 images with 2 disabled to keep me at 3,000 images. You go to the Fresh button, and here are your newly generated unique images. And here they all are by pushing all. Wow, 3,000 fantastic images to generate. Each one is unique. You just can't do that manually. And there you are.
Okay, so that was the software demo for NFT Collection Maker. Now coming to the pricing point of the front end. Now they have got 2 versions over here. The first one is One NFT Art Collection, and the second one is 5 NFT Art Collection. And you can feel free to pause this video at any time and read out all the information over here. I'm going to be putting this information in the description, don't worry about it. But here's the difference. The One NFT Art Collection is going to be $277 one-time payment, and the 5 NFT Art Collections is going to be $497, just a one-time payment. Okay, so this is with the front end. All right, now coming to the Pro version, which is the Pro upgrade, which is the upsell number 1 of NFT Collection. Let me show you the features inside the Pro upgrade. Okay, so here we are on the sales page of the upsell number 1, which is the NFT Collection Pro version. And this is like automate images, upload to free file hosting, and automate inserting links to NFT metadata, upgrade to 10,000 images max collection size, and create 30 more collections. So these are the features inside the upsell number 1. Okay, you can read out all the information over here. And pricing for the upsell number 1 is going to be $497, just a one time. Okay, now upsell number 2 is going to be the agency upgrade, where you can basically sell NFT art collection making services to any of your clients, and you can charge them any money, any amount you want. 5 team sub accounts plus 250 collections, upgrade to 20,000 collection, and this is going to be at $997 only. Okay, just a one-time payment. Okay, so these are the only 2 upsells in the NFT Collection Maker. Now coming to the bonus section. So if you see over here, I've got 42 bonuses. Relatively, they don't have any connection with NFT or crypto, but if you are onto online business, these are some of the bonuses which are going to be helping you in your online business to generate more passive income. Okay, so that was for the NFT Collection Maker. Now if you're kind of a guy who's looking to create NFT art, looking to create how to create NFT without doing any hard work, then trust me, this is probably the best software, I think, which would take minimum effort on your part and give you absolutely fantastic results. Okay, the way you have seen in the software demo, you can see it again. Make sure to click the link below this video and get NFT Collection Maker through the link right below this video, and you will get all the bonuses listed over here and also below in the description. Okay, so that was my review for NFT Collection Maker. Let me know how you like this video. If you like it, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just click the dislike button. But let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next review video. All right, till the next time, have a great day. Bye bye.